In this video, you will see how to deposit TON from a Telegram wallet to Binance. First, open Telegram. At the top, tap the three-line icon, then tap on Wallet. Here, I have an available balance. Tap on Send, then tap on External Wallet. Here, we need to copy our Binance wallet address. So open your Binance account, then tap on Wallet, followed by Spot. Tap on Deposit, then search for TON. Tap on the first result, choose the network, and tap on TON Coin. Here, copy the TON Coin wallet address. Now let's go back to our Telegram wallet and paste the TON wallet address from Binance. Then tap on Continue. Enter the amount of TON you want to send, and tap on Continue. As you can see, a memo is required to deposit TON from your Telegram wallet to Binance. Let's go back to Binance and copy the memo, then paste it here. Finally, tap on Confirm and Send, and your TON from the Telegram wallet has been successfully sent to your Binance wallet. Let's wait for a few seconds, then check your Binance account to confirm the deposit. You'll see that the TON coin has been successfully deposited into your Binance account. And that's it. And that was all. Subscribe. It's free.